Hello there, I am Jacqueline and welcome back to Hourglass of Wine, and more importantly, welcome to episode number 4 of our wine quiz series. Let's quickly recap the rules of the game for those of you that are new to this series. Like in previous versions, here we are going to have 3 levels of ascending difficulty. Each will be made up of 3 questions about wine. At the end, there will be a boss level question, not for the faint of heart. But if you correctly guess all 10 questions, you will win eternal glory. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into the questions. Level number 1. Which of the following sparkling wines is not from Italy? A. Prosecco, B. Franciacorta, C. Cava, or D. Trento DOC? The correct answer is C. Cava is not a sparkling wine from Italy. It is in fact from Spain, and it is made in the traditional method. Question number 2. The earliest archaeological evidence of wine fermentation has been found at sites in the country of Georgia from roughly around what year? A. 6000 BCE, B. 100 BCE, C. 100 CE, or D. 1000 CE? The correct answer is A. 6000 BCE. This means humans have been enjoying wine for over 8,000 years. We know the Romans and even ancient Egyptians did love their wine. So this kind of knocks out all of the answers but number A. Question number 3. What do you call a 1.5 liter wine bottle, or the equivalent of 2 standard 750 milliliter bottles? A. Balthazar, B. A double standard, C. The big bottle, or D. Magnum? And the correct answer is D. It is a Magnum. Although big bottle is technically not wrong. But if you come from my area of the Langhe and Piedmont, you would actually call this bottle a pintun. So how did you do on level 1? You still feeling good? But I know you got this. So let's head on to level 2. Which of the following grapes would be considered the least tannic variety? A. Pinot Noir, B. Cabernet Sauvignon, C. Nebbiolo, or D. Tannat? The correct answer is A. Pinot Noir. Nebbiolo and Tannat are indeed known exactly for that, their tannic qualities. Cabernet Sauvignon has actually quite a bit of tannins as well. However, Pinot Noir is definitely the stereotypically less tannic of the 4 choices. Question number 5. Which of the following terms is part of the French system of labeling and legally protecting French wine? A. Indication géographique française, or IGF, B. Appellation d'origine française, or AOF, C. Vin Bon, or VB, or D. Appellation d'origine contrôlée, or AOC? The correct answer is D. Appellation d'origine contrôlée, or AOC. The other 3, while they may sound fancy, are actually all made up. Although Vin Bon does sound like a really cool system. Question number 6. What is the scientific name of the gray fungus affecting wine grapes that is responsible for the beneficial form of mold known as noble rot? A. Phylloxera, B. Botrytis cinerea, C. Oidium, or D. Powdery mildew? The correct answer is B. Botrytis cinerea. When noble rot affects grapes, it can give the sweet wines an amazing aroma of honey and dried candied fruit. Famous wines that are made in this way are wines like Tokai and Sauterne. And one more level down. We have one more level to go. You're so close. So let's hit that final level. But first, if you're enjoying this video, thus far, please leave a like below. It would be a great time to let us know if you're enjoying it. Thanks! Level 3. Question number 7. Which of the following Spanish wine regions is located on the Atlantic coast of Spain? A. Rías Baixas, B. Ribeiro, C. Rioja, or D. Penedès? And the correct answer is A. The Rías Baixas is located on the top northwest corner of Spain. This region does border the Atlantic Ocean and is most famous for amazing white wines like Albarino. Of all the other incorrect answers, Penedès is located on the Mediterranean coast of Spain, while the Rioja region is located in the northeast of Spain, but it is not coastal. Ribeiro is the tricky option because it is located just inland off the Atlantic coast, neighboring the correct answer of Rías Baixas. Question number 8. According to the International Organization of Vine and Wine, which was the country that last year in 2024 exported the most hectoliters of wine? A. Spain, B. France, C. Italy, or D. China? And the correct answer is C. Italy. In 2024, according to the International Organization of Vine and Wine, Italy exported the most wine. They exported 21.7 million hectoliters for a total of 8.1 billion euros of exportation value. It's interesting to note that France, despite being only the third country for volume of exported wine after Italy and Spain, comes solidly first in terms of value of exportation, which amounts to 11.7 billion euros. We'll leave the link to the study in the description below in case you're a statistics wine nerd like us. Question number 9. Which of the following factors decreases the body of a wine? A. Tannins, B. Acidity, C. Sugar, or D. Alcohol? And the correct answer is B. Acidity. When we are talking about mouthfeel, acidity will actually decrease the body of a wine. Woohoo! You have survived to the end of level 3. That means that all you have left to face is that final boss question. So here we go. Boss level question. Which of the following is not a subzone of the Chianti DOCG appellation? A. Rufina, B. Colli Senesi, C. Colli Fiorentini, or D. Colli Maremani? Colli Maremani is a made-up term, while all of the rest are indeed subzones of the Chianti DOCG appellation. So the correct answer is D. Colli Maremani is not a part of the Chianti DOCG system. And that's a wrap-up. As always, let us know in the comments how you did and what was your final score. And remember, if it's 10 out of 10, you won Eternal Glory. If you feel like you need a rematch, here's the link to a playlist with all of the episodes of the series. And of course, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon to be notified when we release another wine quiz or other videos to help you learn about wine. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video. Bye!